In this video, we're going to walk you through how to set up Housecall Pro online booking so you can streamline your business operations and make scheduling easier for your customers. Whether you're new to Housecall Pro or just want to get the online booking set up quickly, you're in the right place. I'm also going to share a special offer with you at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around for that. Setting up your online booking system with Housecall Pro is a straightforward process that'll save you time and keep your customers happy. First, you'll need to log into your Housecall Pro account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for a free trial through the link in the description, where you'll also get exclusive bonuses. Once you're logged in, head to the online booking section under the Settings tab. This is where you'll configure everything for your customers to book your services directly from your website or through their mobile devices. The process is user-friendly, so you don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Start by enabling online booking. You'll be able to customize the look and feel of your booking page so it matches your business branding. You can choose your logo, color scheme, and even add custom messaging to give your customers a more personalized experience. Now let's set up your service offerings. You'll want to make sure that the services you offer are listed clearly with accurate pricing and descriptions. You can add service categories to make it easy for your customers to find what they need, and Housecall Pro allows you to set different prices for different services. This makes it easy for customers to book the exact service they need with no confusion. Next, you'll want to set your availability. You can sync Housecall Pro with your calendar, making sure that your customers can only book appointments when you're available. You can even set specific days and hours for different services, so if you only offer certain services on specific days, that's easily manageable. Once that's set up, you can enable notifications, so you and your customers receive email or text reminders about upcoming appointments. You can also configure automatic follow-up messages to keep customers informed about their service appointment, or to encourage them to leave a review once the job is completed. After you've configured all of your settings, it's time to embed your booking page on your website or share the booking link with your customers. You can add a simple Book Now button that links directly to your online booking page. The beauty of Housecall Pro is that your customers can book their appointments directly through the platform, saving you time from having to manage phone calls or emails manually. One of the key features of Housecall Pro is its ability to manage payments seamlessly. With their integrated payment processing system, customers can pay directly through your booking page. You can also choose to accept deposits or full payments in advance, providing an additional layer of convenience for both you and your customers. And if you want to take your customer experience a step further, Housecall Pro has the option to send out automated confirmation emails and reminders leading up to the appointment. This reduces no-shows and keeps everyone on the same page. To wrap things up, Housecall Pro's online booking system is not only easy to set up, but it's also powerful and customizable to fit your business needs. Whether you're managing a small team or scaling up, Housecall Pro can help you stay organized, save time, and improve the customer experience. Remember, you can start using Housecall Pro for free today through the link in the description. By signing up, you'll also unlock an extended trial with exclusive bonuses, which means you can explore all of these features without any risk. So, if you're ready to boost your business and make booking easier for everyone, get started with Housecall Pro today.